I've seen some interesting things, but again, just
Was
personalization.
was there a roof over the tree?
There was a roof. Yeah, there was a roof. It was in the middle of the living room, but it had a skylight above it, sort of so the light could shine down on the tree. So
So, I have so many questions. How
yes, yes.
do they just cut the tops of the tree so that it doesn't grow taller through the house? I mean, like, uh, structurally, if the roots, like, start growing big, does that, like, buckle the bottom of the house? I mean,
These are all questions I have as well, Angela. All questions I have as well. Luckily, it
so
wasn't that
there are no
big.
answers. It's just questions.
Yes, there are no answers. In fact, they had a little makeshift sort of garden situation happening around it with pebbles. I mean, but again, personal. It takes a special kind of buyer to want to buy a house with a tree in the middle of it.
With all of the strangeness that goes on in people's houses, how do you stay up with the current trend and what's happening in the industry?
So I'm not a designer and I'm not going to claim to be, but what's great about what I do is that it comes with a designer touch. So every property that we look at for renovation sales, when we get a signed contract, I'll do a Matterport of the property, a 3D scan, so that my designer can be in the space with me and he will pick all of the selections for things that are readily available, sitting on the shelf. Supply chain issues are real right now. So if we get too hung up on a light sconce that it's very particular, it might not be here for a few months. So our designer team will assemble something, design boards that the client will then approve that we can then go get installed very, very quickly.